If you don't hear the beep when powering on, please press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds to restore the factory settings. After power is connected, the device performs self-checking by rotating. Please note, you need to connect your phone to Wi-Fi before connecting to the camera with your phone, and the camera and phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. When you scan the QR code, you need to notice that the distance between QR code and camera lens is 10 to 30 cm. When you hear beep sound, click Next. After you scan the QR code successfully, you can name the device and then input device default password 888888. App can control the camera to shake the hand up, down, left, and right to adjust the field of view. The monitor screen can be switched to landscape mode. Lens can be upside down. SD means pixel switching. Click Video to record video. Click Camera to take a screenshot. Click Loudspeaker to control voice. Click Microphone to speak. There are 3 camera light modes: Alarm mode, Infrared mode, Warm light mode. And the brightness of the warm light can be adjusted.